Gather your loved ones and serve this delicious and healthy Honey Soy Glazed Cod with quinoa for dinner. Learn how to make it with the help of this video, brought to you by recipes.net. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Into a saucepot, add the honey, soy sauce, garlic, rice wine vinegar, lime juice, and sesame seeds. Bring to a simmer and cook for 2 minutes over medium heat. Then, place the cod fillets on a prepared baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Sprinkle it with salt and ground black pepper, then bake for 4 minutes. Remove from the oven, then brush with a honey soy glaze. Bake for another 6 minutes, then brush with the rest of the glaze. Set aside. Meanwhile, add water into a pot and bring to a boil. Add in the quinoa and stir briefly. Then, cover the pot and simmer for 15 minutes over low heat. Remove from the heat before serving with a honey soy glaze, garnished with parsley. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.